Every 6 minutes, a baby gets hurt, and they get hurt when they're rolling downstairs, falling downstairs. So it happens a lot. So if you're a new parent and you feel like your baby is crawling around on the ground and you're starting to worry, when are they going to start attempting to crawl upstairs? And if it's, you should rush out and buy things like safety gates and start installing them all over your house to try to contain your baby, then those fears are justified. I'm also going to tell you when to expect your baby to start trying to crawl up and down stairs, how to show your baby to crawl up and down stairs safely. In this episode, we're going to focus on crawling down the stairs. And I'm also going to show you where to position yourself as you're teaching your baby how to go ahead and crawl downstairs safely. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around to the end. If you're new to my channel, my name is Charrick Gordon. I've been a pediatric physical therapist for over 25 years. I show proactive parents like you how to use simple touch and movement to help your baby catch up and move ahead. So let's get into training on how to show your baby how to go downstairs safely. You can start that process right here on the couch, which is why I'm not even near to stairs. And the way you would do that is you can position your baby. There's a rule in physical therapy when we're talking about stair training and coming down the stairs, crawling downstairs, called tummy down, feet first. Tummy down, feet first. Always tummy down, feet first. So you can put your baby to lie on the couch and bring baby to the point where baby's legs are hanging off of the couch and baby's tummy is on the couch facing away. So, like I said, tummy down, feet first, and put your hand onto one of baby's legs, bend baby's knee, and cue baby to kind of stretch down with that other leg until the other leg touches the ground and bring themselves down. Of course, this type of activity is for a baby who is already crawling. So now let's move over to the stairs and take a look at how to do it on the stairs. If you're teaching your baby to crawl down a flight of stairs, I like to start that process off by beginning towards the bottom of the stairs. You can see that's the floor of my stairs right there. That's the bottom of the stairs. And this is the angle I'm going to use to show you how to help your baby come down the stairs. Now, a couple of safety precautions I want to point out before we go any further. One, always position your body in between your baby and the floor. Whether you're teaching your baby to crawl up or teaching your baby to crawl down, I want you to always remember to position yourself in between your baby and the floor. That way, if baby loses her balance and begins to fall down the stairs, you can catch her. That's the first thing. The second thing is, when I'm showing parents in their homes how to teach their baby to crawl downstairs, I like to start at the bottom of the stairs. Now, the reason for that is, if you start all the way up at the top, depending on how many steps you have in your home, that can seem like a really big task and quite a big challenge for baby. So I like to teach parents, start off at the bottom and then come up a couple of steps, 2 or 3 steps at the most, put baby's favorite toy down here and cue baby to try to come down to get the toy. Here's how you're going to do it. Position yourself in between your baby and the ground, off to one side, so that you are in a position to hold on to baby. Start off by putting baby in the kneeling position. This position is called tall kneeling, where baby's bottom is not all the way back here on her trunk. Baby's bottom is up high, and baby's hands are on the step. Once you have baby in that position, you can then position yourself and cue baby. Put one hand on baby's hip, give baby a little bit of downward pressure on this side, and this will cue baby to lift that other leg up. and bring that leg down. You can cue baby to look at where they're going, look down, and bring that leg down. Then bring the other hand down to that one. Bring the next leg down, bring the right leg down, then bring the right hand down. Go ahead, put baby on their knees again, and repeat that process coming down. Take the left leg, bring the left leg down to the next step. Bring the right hand down. So you're doing a little bit of cross lateral movement between the arms and the legs. Bring the next leg down, and then bring the next hand down. Now what you're doing with this process is you're showing baby how to position himself so that baby can gradually move down. As baby gets better and better, baby will be able to do this on their own, and you'll be able to give yourself a little bit of space away from baby and let baby practice this coming down. As baby gets better and better at doing it, you can increase the amount of steps, take baby further up on the steps, increase the amount of steps that baby is doing, and have baby go down that way and just keep repeating that process. Now, as to the question of when your baby will start trying to crawl up the stairs or trying to crawl down the stairs, that usually happens between 9 and about 13, 14 months. The crawling up starts first, but I decided to do this video first because there's more anxiety around coming down. Coming down is actually harder and a little bit more challenging for baby and a little bit more concerning for parents because they're worried about falls. And that's why I decided to do this video first. Now, if you can drop a comment and let me know where your baby is in their crawling up the stairs journey, crawling up or down, and what kind of things they're struggling with. Are they having a hard time putting this leg down? Are they having a hard time looking or just feeling a bit more apprehensive? And I can answer those questions in the comments. If you found value in this video, like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to the channel where I'm always giving tips like this that parents can use to help their baby catch up and move ahead. All right, stay tuned. I will see you in the next video. If you want to watch a video on how to help your baby crawl upstairs, check out this video right here. I'll see you over there. Take care.